We've reached a conclusion in the case where this idiot got butthurt and destroyed my camera equipment. Quick recap. What's up?
Is this camera?
Hey, don't get near me. Don't get near me.
Why?
Because I said, what's your deal?
Turn the camera on.
No.
Fine, I'll walk to the officer and ask him to turn the camera on.
Oh, go ahead.
Is there anything I can do about this asshole who's trying to film me for defending you guys?
No, he's in public.
But he's in public, he can film all he wants.
He can film all he wants without my consent?
Yup.
Yeah, I am getting educated. I'm asking you questions.
Yeah.
I'm trying to talk to police officers.
Go ahead. I'm going to document that. Check the internet in a couple days, bro.
Oh, well, I'll check fucking Yeah.
Idiot.
What the are you doing here?
Buddy,
long-haired piece of mother. I'll fight all five of you at the same time.
Hey, you and the camera.
What?
Dylan, I got this.
Come here.
You don't want to be on this film, man. I don't give a f about the
My
camera.
goddamn cowboy hat.
Where's that?
I'll break it again.
Dude, you're gonna get sued, man.
I don't care.
You're gonna
I don't
get
have
sued.
anything to my name. I'll break it. Get that thing out of my face.
This is the camera right here. Pretty well jacked up right there. So after a few court dates, the DA asked me to make a statement to the judge to try and stop her from giving him diversion. So I waited 5 hours in court and paid $15 in parking fees to make my statement. The judge heard my statement and then 2 minutes later sentenced Dylan to diversion. So he got off with a lighter sentence than we hoped for, but it's not just a slap on the wrist either. These are the terms of his diversion. Dylan has 12 months to abide by these terms. Stay 100 yards away from me at all times. Do not drink alcohol or frequent places that sell alcohol. Pay restitution in the amount of $866.17. And do not break the law. If he fails to abide by these terms, he will be prosecuted accordingly. So we'll see if Dylan complies with his diversion terms or not. I'll be sure to keep everyone updated on the situation. Thanks for watching. More to come.
It's assault?
You just assaulted
in
me.
California.
Did you go to law school?
And grab.
Are you in law school?
In California.
Are you in law school?
It's
Answer
called
the goddamn
unwanted
question. Are you an
touching.
attorney?
It's called common sense.
Are you an attorney?
Why don't you
If you
try
grab
it?
Are you in law school?
If you grab someone's property.
It's called unwanted touching.
Go sleep it off, dude.
Unwanted touching
I'm
is
not
considered
drunk.
battery.
Dude, you're definitely
okay,
drunk,
dude.
bro.
Let go of me.
Yo, you just hang onto that pole, bro.
He's not drunk.
Stop.
He says he's not drunk, man. Gee.
No, do not touch the camera. Do not
Don't
touch
touch
the camera,
me,
bro.
dude.